The health benefits of green tea. Green tea is a popular type of tea made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It has a long history dating back to ancient times in China. It was even used as a currency due to its value. Green tea made its way to Japan in the 8th century and became popular there too. Green tea is known to increase metabolism, making it beneficial for weight loss. The antioxidant content in green tea helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Studies have shown that green tea can lower cholesterol and blood pressure, improving heart health. Green tea has been found to reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, and increase bone density. The calming effects of green tea can reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and alleviate anxiety. Green tea is known to improve brain function and concentration. Green tea's high antioxidant content can prevent skin damage from UV rays and pollution, and soothe irritated skin. So next time you're looking for a healthy and refreshing beverage, consider reaching for a cup of green tea.